last week, we settled in a sell signal. Actually, we completed about half of it during the week. 79.09 remains our target. We may actually rally back into the 109 handle before falling down to 79.09 the following several weeks. We could trade inside this band between 79.09 and 109.99 for the next month or two. The 109.99 formation is a short sale, expecting then bearish rotation back to 79.09. The 79.09 is a short liquidation, long entry, 3 to 5 weeks back to 109.99, and in fact, within 3 to 5 months into, well, the 140s, 150s perhaps, back to those highs within 3 to 5 months. I don't think we're going to V-shape our way out of this one. If we're going to trade higher, we're going to see the 140s, 150s. It's going to require some time to consolidate. And I think that 79.09 to 109.99 area is a solid zone for that consolidation to occur, and then presumably the market would then follow through to settle above 109.99, and we're off our way to new high prices within a matter of months. But working our way down, we have yet to test 81.97. That is still part of a range down to 79.09. We've got a descending weekly channel top now, a new one based in part on Monday's low. So that's 122.91. If we were to close, say, over the next few days, over the next week or so, above 109.99, that neutralizes bearish momentum. The question is, does it reverse into a more bullish framework? And the answer to that is once we close above 122.91. So we could close above 109.99, tag 122.91 within a matter of days, and then fall away from there. And then we'll just kind of see where the market is at that time. But if we can close above 122.91, that is a clear buy signal as we move into May trade. Now, we're not going to see that this week. We could potentially, with real progress in tariff negotiations, 96.86 offers short-term trade opportunity. We did close just above it today, and I kept it as a session containment level because we're kind of in no man's land in terms of what I see as decent support in the immediate vicinity. If we open unchanged today, 97.64 yesterday settlement, if we open above 96.86, that actually lends toward higher trade. Based on what just happened yesterday, I think the market can go higher anyway. We have a new substantial move low following last August's low, and then we closed higher on the day. In my speak, that's a mini reversal. In other words, it certainly shows the possibility for an oversold market and the tendency for higher trade. Had we closed above Friday's high, that would have been an outside day, closing above Friday's high, key reversal low. I would say watch out 109.67 right around the corner. If we open today above 96.86, 101.75 is in reach. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.